Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video here at Daring Beefcake. I have this Mini Cooper. This is a 2019 model, the 4-door. I'm just going to show you the location of the OBD2 port, and it's a fairly easy one on this driver's side. Right down here there's this little door that says OBD. So you might not even need my video really, but just in case, if you open this cover here, that's where the port is, and this port is used for checking fault codes. So if you get an engine light or other lights like ABS lights or traction control lights, then somebody has to plug in a computer in there. And obviously if you are one of those persons who does do it yourself kind of thing, then that's where the port is. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching.